This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan LaGrotta. Marco Island Waterfront Resort Anglers Cove beautiful modern renovation offered turnkey furnished. Bonus weekly rentals allowed. Dolphin Tiki Restaurant/bar on premises open daily. This 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, with extended living area, is fully air conditioned, 890 square feet with small water views. Plus new air conditioner, new stainless steel fridge/freezer. Check out bunk beds and guest bedroom. Anglers Cove Resort amenities include 2 pools, 2 spas, 2 tennis courts, all of this plus the utilities, electric, water, cable and Wi-Fi, are included in the quarterly fees. Boat slips for lease from the association, plenty of guest parking, manager on duty, Monday through Friday. Desirable location, close to restaurants and shops. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan LaGrotta at 239-438-7776.